guys, Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my weekend Walmart haul for you guys. So listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. So as far as my weekend is weak, all right? Needless to say, it's a little weak. I think I need like 5 offers for $1, I want to say. So yeah, if we hit it, we hit it. If we don't hit it, then we just don't freaking hit it. As simple as that. So we got some new surveys on Flavor Wiki, y'all. They're fast food surveys. And we had 4 of them like a couple days ago. I didn't get any of, well, I got one of them. I think I got the 3rd one. It kicked me off after I entered my state. And y'all know I'm in Cali. And so the one that I did get was for Raising Cane's, which we do have a Raising Cane's up here. It says $24, but when I click on it, it gives you 2 options, a chicken sandwich or the chicken fingers. And you only choose one, and it's like $12. So I was just like, and you have to do a video too. So I was just like, I don't feel like doing all that. But I ain't even gonna lie, like I had a doctor for me yesterday, and the Raising Cane is like right there. And it's like I was in Kaiser sitting there waiting to get called back, and I was really having a hard time not going to Raising Cane's and getting a chicken meal. All right, I'm not even joking. But I kept thinking, Chanel, there's 1,500 calories you don't eat in your life, and so I didn't. That's the only reason why I didn't. But otherwise I probably would have. And so what else? And then we had a couple that popped up. Was it yesterday or yesterday? I think it was. And I didn't get any of those. And so, yeah. So check yours and see if you got any fast food surveys. But like I said, you do have to do a short video. It actually didn't even say short video. It just said do a video of your thoughts on the fries. What is it? The crinkle cut fries. And so there was that. What else did I want to mention? I wanted to mention this too, because I keep forgetting. With Swagbucks, I don't know if you guys' account is like mine. I use the browser, and I've had Swagbucks for a super long time. And I've been able to do instant Walmart gift cards where I'll get it instantly, and I've been able to do, I think, 5 per month. But recently, it's allowing me instant with PayPal, and I think I get like 7, up to 7 per month, where you instantly get it. Doesn't make you wait. And so I wanted to see if you guys have that on your account. I'll try to pop up a screenshot right here so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Because when I cashed out the other day, I instantly got it. And I was just like, I was thinking maybe it was a previous one, but it was actually the one that I just did. So I wanted to mention that to you guys. Other than that, y'all, we're going to head into Walmart, which is right here. See what kind of awesome deals that we can grab if you want to see what your girl got you need to do. Keep on watching.
All right, I was so happy that they have a ton left too. If you don't think that your area carries the snack club, this is the little snack size. Just check your store. At the other location, they have these on the aisle, like on one of the aisles, because online didn't say they had it. And I just happened to see it when I was here. This offer popped up on Ibotta, getting back $1. Now, only ones that scanned for Ibotta were these 2 here for me, which would make them 50 cents each. Now, the offer on Flavor Wiki is for the Fiesta snack mix. This offer popped back up on Flavor Wiki for me. I have 2 separate offers, and it doesn't say retake, so I'm thinking maybe it's not going to be called retake. It's just going to be pop up again, right? Because, I mean, retake to me implies I don't have to repurchase it. And so we're going to grab one of these, priced at $1.50. You'll get back $1 on it. Well, actually, this one's not working for Ibotta, but I submitted it in review. So we'll see what happens with that. It does say any size, so it should work. But if we get one for $1.50, get back 5 on Flavor Wiki and $1 on Ibotta, it would make that like a $4.50 moneymaker, I'm thinking. But I'll let you guys know if it works out. I'm going to get 2 on 1 transaction for each account, mine's as well as Joseph's. And so, yeah. All right. So I'm finally getting around to doing this deal on the Sara Lee turkey or ham. I picked up a pound. It's a little over a pound. Price of $8.89. I'm getting back $7 on Swagbucks and getting back $2 on Checkout 51. makes it an 11-cent moneymaker, which is awesome because this is something I'm gonna buy anyway. Now, I did see that you can grab it 2 times on one receipt. I'm gonna just do it one time first and see if it goes through on Swagbucks because I heard that, you know, some people have been having issues with it crediting when you grab 2. And so I'll let you guys know how it works out. I'm gonna grab this first and then I'm gonna continue shopping and hopefully it goes through by the time I'm out and then I'll just grab another one. So yeah, so I'm gonna grab the Starry. I guess they don't carry. I thought they carried the 2-liter and sugar-free. And they carried the 6-packs because I got them before, but I guess they don't carry them in sugar-free anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. Price at $2.64. I'll have a link in the description for $2 back. You could grab 6-pack, you could grab a 2-liter, you can grab the 20-ounce up front. And so for this one, it'll make it 64 cents. Okay, so I'm gonna do this deal. All right. It's on the Oregon Kids Protein. They're priced at $7.96. Now I have these pillies that I have had for a very long time. I honestly think I probably got these when Josiah was very, very little. So I only kept them because it doesn't have an expiration date. And I've never used them. So I said, hey, let's try it on this deal and see if it works. Again, they're priced at $7.96. You want to grab 2, you'll pay $15.92, getting back $2 for each one Ibotta plus $2 bonus for buying the 2. And then we'll also get back $4.50 for each one on Fetch, which will make them 46 cents each if I don't use a coupon. If the coupon scans, it'll make them both free plus a $3.08 moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Airwick Advanced, right? Popped up on Ibotta. Price at $3.98, limit is 3. They only have 1. Grabbing 1, you'll get back 4, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. Like, Lord knows, like, Lord, you know, like I know that I don't need these. So I really thank you for not having them in stock because I would have got 6. And so, yeah. Another thing I want to mention, one of you guys mentioned in the last video, this one doesn't work. They had some in stock, so I went ahead and scanned it. Last time, this one was working for the $6 offer, and now it's not. And so, yeah. All right, I'm going to be grabbing just one of the Glade. Priced at $2.38, getting back $1 on Swagbucks and $1 on Checkout 51. You might still have offers on Ibotta. I've maxed that out. I don't even have the offer as far as Walmart rewards, so it'll bring that down to 38 cents. So I'm going to be grabbing the Snuggle Softener Sheet deal again. This is the 70 count, and they are priced at $3.93. I'll be using this $1.50 printable I've had forever. It worked for me last time. We're crossing our fingers that it works again. That's going to bring the total down to paying $4.96, getting back 4 on Swagbucks. 75 cents for 1 on Ibotta, making them only 10 cents each. Now there is offers on Checkout 51 as well if you don't have the coupon. And of course we're grabbing the liquid again as well. They're both priced at $4.77. That total is going to come to $9.54 using 2 of those printables right there. We'll bring that total down to you paying $6.54, getting back $4 on Swagbucks and $2 on Ibotta, making them only 27 cents each. So next up is the Preparation H toilets, totables, priced at $4.82 right here. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. That total is going to come to $9.64. You got $1.50 for each on Ibotta plus a 50-cent bonus for buying 2. And then we've got $4 for buying 2 on Checkout 51 and $4 for buying 2 on Swagbucks. It'll make this $1.86 moneymaker. I found you guys. I'm so happy I came back here. I only found one though. And it is working for the Ibotta offer. What I think I'm going to do is do Walmart first and then do Ibotta, but basically pay $1, get back 5, makes it a $4 moneymaker. Alright guys, so this is our complete haul for today. Please excuse my little human being in the other room being his little human self. So if you hear something, I apologize. Well, if it's sudden outbursts, I apologize. This worked out so good, y'all. But let's go over what didn't work out. So the coupon for the Oregon, that worked. I went to self-checkout for everything here. That coupon scanned
And I was a little nervous because I had the coupon forever. Like I said, I had it probably right after I had Josiah, even before I had Josiah. Y'all know, he just turned 9. So I had it for a super long time. And so it scanned perfectly fine. What else? The Snuggle coupons, those scan perfectly fine. I might have to do a little research, you know, see if I can find some more. I got credit for that on Swagbucks. For the Snuggle, it went straight through this time. Last time it went into review, and before it was approved. This time it went straight through. The Preparation H. Submitted that to Checkout 50. I always tell y'all, Checkout 51 first, wait to clear, and then do Swagbucks, sister app, whatever. So Checkout 51, it went through pretty fast. I submitted that to Swagbucks. Now I did get an error message this time. I did, all right? I would say the 4th or the 5th time that I tried, it finally went through. And it looked like it was going into review, but it actually processed, okay? So I did get credit for that on Swagbucks and Checkout 51. The Glade processed, again, pretty fast on Checkout 51. It's in review on Swagbucks, though. The ham, perfect deal, went straight through. Now, I no longer had the offer on Checkout 51, and when I went in, it said few left. I should have been faster than that. I should have been faster. But it's okay, because it only cost me $189, which is not bad, because I'm going to buy this anyway, right? The limit is 2 receipt submissions per week. I'm hoping it resets on Sunday on Checkout 51, but I don't know. It might just reset tomorrow. If it does, I'll definitely do the deal again. As far as Swagbucks, I saw people having issues doing 2, and they were only getting credit for 1. So I would suggest just do 1 at a time. And so for me, I will definitely be doing that deal again, because I'll throw that in the freezer and keep it moving. Because I think I probably pay for a pound. I probably pay out what, $4 or $5 for a pound, and so to get it for $2 for me is not a bad deal at all. Now you only see 1 ink box because they only had 1. All right, I did Walmart rewards first. I got 1, got back 5, and then I was like, let's do it on Ibotta. So I just used that one twice on Ibotta and got back 10. And I wish I would have thought of that to do on Walmart rewards, but I didn't. And so if it resets on either, I will probably be doing that. The snack clubs, 2 separate transactions for my account, Joseph's account. I did put a request, and I think I mentioned that in the video, a request for those, and I didn't get anything back, but when I scanned it, it picked it up. But I knew it was going to pick it up because I did Walmart rewards first, and it went through. And so I knew it would work for Ibotta because it went through for Walmart rewards. And then when I submitted the receipt for Ibotta, it went straight through on that. So yeah, it makes that a $9 moneymaker for both sets, which is really awesome. Yeah. Other than that, that's basically it. So let's go ahead and breeze through this. So everything that you see here retails $69.85. We had $10 in coupons. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $59.85. My sales tax was $352. Getting back $28.95 from Ibotta. Real quick. Now with the organ, I did not get credit for that on Ibotta. And I thought I had to do the coupon, but when I checked the offer doesn't exclude the coupon, and it specifically says that it includes those 2 flavors plus the other one, the 3rd flavor. So I put a ticket in. All right. So as of right now, they still owe me $6 for that. So it should be $28.95. Flavor Wiki was $20 for the nuts. Swagbucks is $20. Fetch Reward $9.02. Walmart Reward $7. Checkout 51 is $5. And last but not least was Aisles for $2 for the Starry. Getting back a total of $91.97 makes this all a $32.12 moneymaker, which is really awesome. So even after all said and done, y'all, we still made $30. Look, this was an awesome deal, all right? I'm hoping Snuggles continues to reset. I'm hoping the ink box reset. I'm hoping that, what else? I have 2 more coupons for the Oregon. Hell, I hope that resets. The ham, yeah, I like food. I hope that resets too. So other than that, I appreciate you watching. If you made it to the end, thank you. Josiah, what was your emoji bug?
a soccer ball. Soccer ball could be a football because I guess soccer ball and football is the same, right? Kind of, sort of. Depending on where you're at. But soccer ball, football's in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video as always. Oh, I forgot something. I hope you watched to the end. Hope that you're still watching if you wanted the best food coupons. I totally forgot in my last video. I'm gonna pop up the winners for that video. I picked 3 of you guys that are gonna get 2 coupons each. I will include my email address for you to email me. And then I have more because I found some more yesterday. So I'm going to do 3 more giveaways for this video. So if you want mail, just say I want mail. All right. And I'll do another giveaway for this one as well since I have them. And I'm probably not even going to use them, but they're good throughout the year. They're good till like December 31st or 25th or something like that. But anyways, as always, appreciate you watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.